Fasthosts is a prominent web hosting provider based in the United Kingdom. They offer a range of hosting options, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. Known for their reliability and ease of use, Fasthosts has been in business since 1999. Pros: UK-based data centers, excellent speeds and reliability if your primary audience is in the UK. Good uptime. Fasthosts offers a 99.99% uptime guarantee, ensuring your website stays online. WordPress optimized platform. Offers features geared towards easy WordPress installation, management, and performance. Strong customer support, known for friendly and responsive support teams. User-friendly interface. Their control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate. Cons: limited email accounts on lower-tier plans. The entry-level plans offer limited email storage and accounts. No global servers. If your target audience is primarily outside of the UK, loading speeds may be slower. Renewal prices can be higher. Introductory offers are attractive, but standard prices after the initial term are less competitive. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.